Today, we will discover how to select particular coins and assets before start trading. What do I look for in the charts before trading? How I use our best trading strategy with our best trading indicator. If you are ready, let's learn. Let's talk about a really troubling trading day with Anna. We will discover and talk about many things like masterclass yo-yo and risk management. We will learn how to adapt to changing and unstable trading environment. Let's start with the top-down analysis again. When I was looking at the weekly chart, I noticed a nice power with Anna. We kept making new highs and getting really powerful recently. When I was looking at the top, I noticed this upper weekly imbalance. I was thinking, oh, it's nice. Maybe we can rally towards it. And this SR Philip point could have been a nice early target for us. Since Anna was one of the top gainers, I thought we had a really nice power. When I looked at the momentum chart, this was the area that I was looking for a trade chance. Because we were having these nice pattern-based movements. If you check the below, the early rally ignited right here with imbalances. I was thinking that we can do the secondary rally with upper imbalances. However, there is no free lunch in trading. There are no free candies. Let's check out the low time frames now. Now, we are in the 1 minute time frame to talk further. This was the point of our momentum layout imbalances. I have noticed this weak break with imbalance. This was my point of entry. I also noticed these nice equal highs above, and I thought I had more good reasons to rally upwards. So, as a good trader, you shall not be greedy. 2-hour setup was great here. But look what happens. This trade was chopping itself for hours. It was so dramatic. Up and down, up and down, up and down. It was boring and annoying. This is why you need to cut trades sometimes, break even them. And look for new trades or new coins without over trading. Okay, if risk reward is not doing great and price is very choppy, then what to do? So basically, switching back to do our masterclass yo-yo, a basic cost averaging technique. In order to do a yo-yo, first you need to determine good entry points. My first entry area was this nice SR Philip area. Second area was this nice, really big imbalance point. My third area was the combination of parabolic liquidity with imbalance. If you have watched the masterclass, you'll see how important these areas are, especially with the combination of parabolic liquidity with imbalance. Okay, basically, this is where you make your first entry. And then you make your second entry. So, you averaged yourself now in the middle. After that, you are making your third entry and creating a final average. And the rest is just taking the profits. As soon as possible, never get greedy because we don't know what will happen next. Take the profits and move on. You see how simple is this? But you wish. Nothing is simple or easy here. This whole trade took more than 6 hours of my day. 6 hours, for God's sake. I had back pain at the end of the day watching and managing the trades. Okay friends, remember, there is no free lunch in trading and there are no sweet candies in trading. And there's definitely no free money. Times are very challenging. Be really careful. And please take care, then see you next time. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, My masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.